Now that our tools are laid out, let's run an accessibility check on this document. I've already modified it to make sure it illustrates several different types of accessibility issues. To run the accessibility checker, go to the Accessibility Tool panel. Click Accessibility Check. In the dialog box, you can keep all of the settings in their default state. Just click the Start Checking button. This will open the accessibility panel on the left-hand side of your window. You will see bold text where any issues are found. Click the arrow to expand the collapsible menus. Once they are fully expanded, you can see more details on the type of issues and where they exist in the document. Be aware that the logical reading order and color contrast warnings will be there on every check, regardless of how accessible they are. This is because the software itself can't evaluate these issues and they require human decision making.